clarity. Everyone say clarity.
Clarity.
And the opposite of clarity would be like mumbling. Everyone say mumbling. All right, so we don't want to mumble our words. We have to speak with clarity. Anyone else go to learn? All right. Okay, we got more lines. All right, this is Max's line. I am not going to listen to you, mother. Okay, who wants to say that line? It's a Max line.
I want to say that.
All right. Go. You got to stand up to say it, though. All right, go for it. I am not going to listen to you, mother.
I'm not going to listen to you, mother.
Oh, boy, with the attitude. All right, start with a step back. Right leg is going to step back. Step back, look up. Step, look forward. Step to the right. Step to the left. Lift your knee up here, grab a hold, then crouch down. Then stand up. Turn to the right and wave. Turn to the front and wave. Put your hand down.
Let's do the reach again. 5, and remember, we're staying in place, don't move your feet. 5, 6, 7, 8, reach, and reach, and reach, and reach, and around. Okay? So, you guys are gonna go this way now, okay? So, wait. So we're right here. So step with me. Just the front line, just the front line, just the front line. Let's go from the reach. Let's go from the reach, and reach, and reach, and reach, and down. Step, step, step. That's what I want to see, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, reach, and reach. Let's go back. Step.
Back, side, side, forward, side, side, back, side, side. So we have changes of direction, we have tempo. You can stop or dance in place. Right? A stop gives you a moment to observe what's going on, what other people are doing around you, and then you can make another. So right now we're working with our changes of directions, our stops and starts, our speeding up and slowing down. I want you to become interested in the spaces in between. The spaces in between.